Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, western Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cambridge, or near Stoughton, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Lake Mills, Deerfield, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Albion, Milford, Utica, Rockdale, and Bussaville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA